So if you have two terms, log terms, or three terms, whatever, if you have a subtraction, the quotient property, oh, you can't see this up above. Okay, the quotient property, if you have two terms being subtracted, the first term is your numerator, that argument value is your numerator. The second term is the denominator. It's just like exponents. So top minus bottom, numerator minus denominator. That's it. So if you have, and then of course, simplify, reduce, right, if you can. So this is log base 3, 24 over 8, and that gives me 3, right? Isn't 8 go to 24 3 times? Okay, if I wanted you guys to solve it completely, what would that be equal to? What's log base 3 of 3? What'd you say? 1, right, right? Because remember, if you're writing it as an exponent, if this is your base and that is your exponent, do you get that as your, they call it an argument or value in a log, but this would be the product of it, just 3. Oh, you can't see. 3. So they asked you to condense. So yes, this is correct, but this shows that you have it fully simplified, right? And then if they ask you to condense and solve, that's what you're looking for. You then actually have to solve it using a calculator. Okay, so we look at 9 log, we won't be able to solve this one because they're x's. You can't put that in the calculator. Okay, quotient rule, right? When you have a subtraction, it forms a fraction. Your numerator's the first term, your denominator's the second term, right? Okay, if I have 9 x's on top and 2 x's on the bottom, what is that going to reduce to? How many x's and where? How do you guys reduce that fraction of x's? How many?
X minus 6.
Huh?
You just put x7?
Yeah, x7. Right? 9 minus 2, or if you want to do 1, 2, 3. 9 of them on top, 2 on the bottom. What's left? 7 on top, right? Numerator minus denominator, 9 minus 2, 7. And then that's it. You can't do anything else because you can't put that in the calculator. Okay, those are your 3 properties. So when you're adding, you're multiplying. When you're subtracting, you're dividing. And if you have a, oh wait, here, okay, sorry. If we did the power rule, what would happen to that 7? 7 log 4 of x. So this is the quotient rule, but then this would be the power rule by bringing that 7 as a coefficient to the term. So then for 10, 11, and 12, can I move this? For 10, 11, and 12, I know you just see a 4 there, but it's really log base 8, 4 over 1, right? So if you want to see your numerator, denominator, here, numerator, denominator, right? You can see it better. Okay, we'll take a, is that an 8? I want to say it's an 8. Yeah, so like 15 and 18 and 17 we'll take a look at tomorrow, and then you'll get the second sheet, and then there's actually a bunch of these in your packets too. All right, so then you guys will do those problems. All right. Okay, can I stop the video? I don't even know what time it is. me.